In this video, we will be adding a new experiment to the queue. In order to add a new experiment, we need to provide a couple of parameters. So we need at least one output parameter. We need a sample algorithm. We need a computation environment, and we need a task. If any of these mandatory parameters are not provided, we will see an error in output section. So let's begin. Let's add a sample algorithm. You can drag and drop these algorithms or others, or you can simply right click and choose add to experiment. So you will see it will be added in here. And let's add a new task. So we have a new task here. If you want to see what's inside of that task or algorithm or computation environment, we can easily click on that one and see the details. So we can check the task as well. Now let's try to add the queue. You can see in this output section, we have algorithm is detected, computational environment is detected, task is detected, output parameter is not detected. Please add at least one output parameter to the experiment. As I explained before, we need at least one of these parameters. So we need to add one output parameter as well to meet the minimum requirements of Liquid Benchmark. So let's add time. I'm gonna drag and drop time. So now we have time. We know time is an output parameter. Let's try again. The system asks us to provide the results of this experiment to be public or private. Our default value is public. So basically when you are doing your experiment, the results will be available for all of the users in Liquid Benchmark, and they can use your statistics. If you want to make it private, you can choose the private option. So I'm leaving it public. And as we can see in this output section, the system has already checked, and we can see we have algorithm, computation environment, task and output parameter. Everything is okay and there is no error. So I'm hitting on OK, and the system will continue constructing experiments, checking algorithm parameters. Algorithm is gzip, adding experiment to the queue, and this is basically our inputs. So the image ID, service path, and this is the exact input in JSON format. All of the communications between Liquid Benchmark platform and all other services are on the standard JSON format. So this is the input parameters, and we have our new experiment added to the queue, and the ID is 147. In order to check this, we can go to previous attempts section. So it's located to the next to the experiments tab. So click on previous attempts, and we can see 147, which is just added, is here.